built. My name is Philippe Bonneau. I'm working as a product marketing manager at Growtech. And today I would like to welcome Olivier Bayle for this session. We will talk about extend collaboration with your Revit peers. So thank you, Olivier, for joining us today. Let me say a few words about yourself. So Olivier obtained his civil engineering degree and he worked for 2 years in a design office as a structural engineer. And since 1999, he has been working in the field of software applied to the construction industry. For the past 16 years as a pre-sales engineer for Autodesk, he has been bringing Autodesk users to best practices in BIM, and he promoted also software and cloud-based solutions. So he offers innovative workflows, and he develops also best practices in 3D visualization, collision checking, 5D construction simulations. So as you see, his expertise area include modeling, reality capture, structural analysis, real-time game engines, and virtual reality. And I'm going to say painting as well. He's an expert of painting, right?
Yes.
So let me start this session with a very quick introduction. Excellent. So welcome again, Olivier. I don't know if you want to say a word now of
Yes, I will say some few words. First, thank you for Growtech to having me into this session. You will see it's a great tool by using collaboration for Revit and Collaboration Pro also. And I hope you will have some questions. You've got a Q&A at the end, a live Q&A at the end. Feel free to ask me what you want, and we will see the result at the end. Thanks.
Thank you, Olivier. Yeah, so just in a few words, just to explain the presentation you are going to attend now. So you will discover in this presentation how Autodesk BIM Collaborate Pro, enables real-time collaboration, centralized project information, and offers version control and change management. So Olivier, the floor is yours, and let's watch your presentation.
Thanks, Philippe. Welcome everyone to my session. We will explore together the powerful features and benefits of this collaborative BIM solution, including seamless collaboration, improved project coordination, and enhanced communication. Whether you are an architect, engineer, or construction professional, thanks to join me to discover how Autodesk BIM Collaborate Pro can streamline workflows and drive successful project delivery. My name is Olivier Bayle from Autodesk. I work as a solution engineer and I'm based in France. I have obtained a degree of structural engineering with expertise in steel, reinforced concrete, and wood. Since 16 years at Autodesk, I have specialized in enabling customers to adopt BIM solutions, workflows, and developing best practices in 3D visualization, clash detection, and 5D construction simulation. I'm also one of the authors of a French blog called Village BIM, and I own a YouTube channel and LinkedIn profile. Let me provide you with an overview of what we'll be covering in today's presentation. First, understanding industry context and challenges of construction and BIM. Is Autodesk Docs, discover Autodesk Cloud solution and how to be more efficient in managing project documents. What is BIM Collaborate Pro as a real-time collaboration for optimal coordination? We will discover key capabilities as BIM model management, conflict detection, task coordination. Finally, I will share with you some resources as guides, tutorials video, and other materials to enhance your use of BeamCollaborate Pro. Let's get started. Let's discover industry context and challenges. In a world transformed by COVID, the challenges our industry faces may appear overwhelming. With more unpredictability and volatility than ever before, IC businesses like yours are looking to harness cloud technologies as a new normal for the design practice. With the cloud, it is possible to maintain business continuity, so you can work from anywhere or anything with insight in order to reduce risk and gain efficiencies in day-to-day operations. To navigate instability and disruptions, empower your team with flexible technology solutions that integrate multiple use cases, file types, and workflows. Streamline collaboration, organization, and information exchange by using a common data environment and structure access levels. Embrace scalability, reduce wastage, and increase adaptability by minimizing silos and maximizing integrations. And finally, your business needs better visibility and insights into everyday design work. Unexpected opportunities for growth, learning, and innovation all start with connection. Collaboration in the industry is being drastically reshaped in these times. Companies are investing in digitalization more than ever, but want solutions to connect more than just teams, offer flexibility, and provide powerful insights. Collaboration solutions now need to be connected. You want to connect your teams, tools, and data in one place to improve productivity and avoid rework. You want to be able to collaborate in your preferred design tools, communicate progress in real time, and manage all documentation on a single platform that built to understand the IC industry. Solutions need to be flexible, IC workflow inclusive of horizontal plus vertical, anytime, anywhere access to your data and authoring tools. Flexibility, scalability. And finally, powerful. Secure access and data storage, data centralized in one place, maintain data integrity, and learn from analytics and insights. Let's have a look in Autodesk Cloud propositions. Autodesk Construction Cloud is a platform offering services and tools to facilitate collaboration, storage, data access, as well as computation and simulations. Here are the main cloud services provided by Autodesk. First, Autodesk Docs. It's a document management for centralizing and collaborating on project documents. In the next slide, we will discover some powerful features. Autodesk BIM Collaborate Pro. This is the subject of my presentation. This service can connect all users in one place and provide authoring tools to collaborate more efficiently, guarantees data security. Autodesk BIM Collaborate perform automatic clash detection by analyzing shared models in the cloud folders and communicate potential analysis results. Autodesk Build expand BIM models and contractual documents usage in offline mode on the construction site, enabling quality inspections and prompt issue reporting. Most of software in IC collection are connected to Autodesk Construction Cloud and offer a continuous and smooth user experience. And finally, all Autodesk Construction Cloud is based on Autodesk Platform Services as a web development platform and provide tools for developers to create cloud applications, accessing and manipulating data with Autodesk Services integration. What is Autodesk Docs? Autodesk Docs is a common data environment in the cloud, centralized document management solution that acts as a single source of truth across the project life cycle for all teams. All teams, design teams, and management can simplify collaboration and data management across design to construction and streamline document review and approval workflows. Docs is included in subscription to Autodesk BIM Collaborate, Autodesk BIM Collaborate Pro, Autodesk Takeoff, Autodesk BIM, ILC Collection, as well as standalone. As well, Autodesk Docs provide control the flow of information with robust access and permissioning tools, customize sharing options, customize and create folders for structured process. Autodesk Docs provide automatic versioning document, instantly distribute the latest documents and drawings, view previous versions of documents, drawings and models, and compare sheets or versions to quickly understand the changes. With Autodesk Docs, you can customize and automate reviews and distributions of project drawings, models, and other documentations. You can also collaborate with tools to review and comment documents. Finally, upload and share project files to the project team. To be compliant to naming standard, Autodesk Docs support ISO 19650 for project file. In Autodesk Docs Cloud Platform, you can adjust the information containers to match the national annex and make the drawing naming process more automatic and with capabilities to control and monitor files information. You want to know more about Autodesk BeamCollaborate Pro? Please follow me in this session. Autodesk BeamCollaborate Pro is not a standalone design software, but rather a collaboration platform that enhances coordination and communication among project teams working on BIM projects. It is not a substitute for proper design and modeling tools, but rather complements by providing features for real-time collaboration, issue tracking, and data management. Autodesk Revit, Autodesk Civil 3D, and AutoCAD Plan 3D are connected to Autodesk BeamCollaborate Pro, allowing you to work on the same project securely, track process, and meet deadlines. The central file is located within the Autodesk Cloud Construction Platform, ensuring seamless communication and integration between various services of the solution, including Autodesk Docs, BeamCollaborate, and BeamCollaborate Pro. By this way, BIM data can be consumed by mobile devices as smartphones or tablets, and used as close as possible to the construction site, ensuring timely communication and tracking problem escalation to be solved. BeamCollaborate Pro is a great solution if your team used more than one design authoring tool, as Revit, Civil 3D, and Plan 3D. And even if you don't use workflows that require a CDE or more than one design tool. Being a part of digital project delivery means needing the ability to review and access files, comment, co-author, and carry out change orders. On the screen, you can see an illustration of multidisciplinary project on a large scale that brings together various BIM data, including terrain, roads, bridges, and public and industrial buildings. All this data was created in a co-authoring Autodesk tools as Autodesk Revit, Autodesk Civil 3D, and Autodesk Plan 3D. Let's see how Autodesk BeamCollaborate Pro works in the cloud interface. In the design collaboration module offered by Autodesk BeamCollaborate Pro, for instance, in this project, we are currently using a team name external contributor. With this module, you can explore the project and observe various file formats, including RVT, DWG, and AFC. To enhance your understanding of the project, you have the ability to deactivate specific data or apply colorization to the model based on different themes. Additionally, at this level of functionality, it is possible to view properties that are embedded within the different models. Without the co-authoring services, BeamCollaborate Pro is still powerful and the right choice for design leads, project reviewers like owners or principals, coordinators, and other team members who don't need to edit design themselves. It is also great if you are primarily using AutoCAD. We know AutoCAD users are leveraging the power of the cloud. There are more than 11 million DWG files on our BIM 360 platform today, which means AutoCAD users like you are part of the project delivery process. Even if you don't use Revit, Civil 3D, and Plan 3D, you can still actively and seamlessly participate with other teams in the process. So, what are essential skills, abilities, or features belonging to Autodesk BIM Collaborate Pro? Let's start with a quick video showing these capabilities with Revit worksharing. With Autodesk BIM Collaborate Pro, the design team can create in Revit a set of drawings and 3D views to be shared and published to the cloud. Once you select which 2D and 3D view you want to upload as a package to the cloud, you sync your local model with the central model and publishing into the cloud to Autodesk Construction Cloud Platform. Then, the other teams get notification that the architect team has published a new package of the model and drawings, and they can see this information on the timeline. Before consume and download the package, each team can explore the content of the package. They can review and compare the drawing and the 3D model. They can see what has been changed for the last version that was published and see what has been added, deleted, or modified. Another important capability to help us to prevent rework and errors during the construction stage, it is clash detection feature. The model coordination performs automated clash detection of the models hosted on the cloud. You choose which models you want to view and compare, and when you review the clashes, you can create issues and assign it to the relevant team to review and resolve. What are the main challenges design firms face in effective collaboration? Well, Autodesk dig into collaboration, communication, and coordination are the biggest challenges. Let's have a deeper look on this. If your concern is managing complex projects by enabling members to better collaborate on designs, you can use BeamCollaborate Pro to enable multiple users to co-author Revit models with Revit Cloud work sharing. This gives you the ability to extend work sharing to project teams in any location while centralizing effort of distributed teams. You can also better allocate resources and assign the best team members with the most relevant skill set to each project. If your concern is security, BeamCollaborate Pro gives you a great deal of flexibility to control who has access to your design data. With it, you can restrict user access to certain folders or limit access according to user role or company. Control work sharing and design deliverable exchange with a guarantee that the right information is in the right hand throughout the project. If your concern is efficient team communication, you can use BeamCollaborate Pro to ensure that your project team is always aware of the project's overall progress. Reduce rework with trackable project activity, facilitate model exchange and deliverable coordination, understand changes in context between aggregate model in the single space, navigate change visualization by team, by phase, building level, and more. If you are interested in accountability and ensuring that everyone involved in the project is completing their tasks in the timely manner, you can create issues and markup in BeamCollaborate Pro. These features enable you to pin issues in context, collaborate with common threads, add photos, assign works, and track open issues through resolution. When the entire project team is involved in clash detection and resolution, issues can be identified and solved without waiting for coordination meetings. By implementing automated clash detection, models can be detected for conflicts when published or updated, allowing for efficient grouping of clashes by object and the creation of coordination issues for timely resolution. This brings me to you at the end of my presentation. Here are the main resources that I can share with you today. Here you find a collection of resources integrating blogs, general information, how to get a trial version, security concerns, customer testimonials, and forum. Thank you for attending my presentation. I hope you find it valuable. If you have any question, feel free to reach out to me. Stay tuned for future updates and have a great day.
Hello,
Well,
Olivier. Thank you so much for the
again,
presentation. It was great. So I didn't pay attention to the questions we got, but I have some first questions for you, Olivier.
yes.
You talk about Autodesk Construction Cloud and you talk about Autodesk Docs. As a user, how can I access Autodesk Docs?
There is two ways. The first simple way, if you are a customer using already IC collection, you can use for free is inside. And of course, for others, you can subscribe to one or more subscription on Autodesk Docs, and it's a simply way to use it. And I want to remember for all attendees that you can use all softwares and cloud solution Autodesk as a trial for 1 month, 30 days.
Okay, this is good news. Also today you talk a lot about BIM Collaborate Pro. I have heard about BIM Collaborate as well. So can you remind us about the differences between BIM Collaborate Pro and BIM Collaborate?
Yes, yes. Let's say I will start to the beginning. Autodesk Docs, it is a foundation of this Autodesk solution, a cloud solution. And on the top, the first top on Autodesk Docs, you've got Autodesk Collaborate. It's kind of Navisworks software in the cloud. And for Collaborate, you can have you can make fusion of versatile format files as Revit, as DWG, AutoCAD, let's say, IFC for sure, and you can make a fusion of all these files and make clash detection. And if you find some clashes, you can share it easily by using the forces of the cloud, by using a URL, by sending an issue, because you've got an issue tracking into Collaborate for sure. And by creating an issue, it will be sent to the user to take care of about this issue. And of course, by this way, you can track this issue easily.
And can you run a clash detection in the cloud with model coordination probably between, for example, a Revit model and a model that you were able to open through an IFC file? I mean, can
Yes.
you work with models created with Autodesk software and models not created with Autodesk software?
Yes, yes, yes. The best way to do that with an external software from the Autodesk ecosystem, you can use IFC. It's a common way to do clash detection by using IFC against Revit file or DWG file.
Okay, perfect. Because I see we have a question from Robinson who is asking if it's possible to use
Okay.
model on Autodesk software in Autodesk Collaborate. So I can imagine
Yes,
it's kind of question.
I can extend my answer. In
Okay.
Collaborate, for sure, you need to clash models between them, and of course, you need to have models. But by using BIM Collaborate Pro, it's not only models. You can share other data as PDF file, as Microsoft document files like Word, Excel sheet, like this. Because as you understood, I guess, BIM Collaborate Pro, it is a co-authoring tool based on Revit, Civil 3D, and Plant 3D. But anyway, when you want to share your models, you can use as I said, packages. Into these packages, you can put inside ton of files. There is no limitation. Let's say as it is.
Okay, sounds good. And for Autodesk Drops, you can visualize Revit models, Civil 3D models, Plant 3D models, and you can visualize many file formats, right?
Yes, in Autodesk Docs, you mean?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. More than 60 format file. And even if you can make visualization on the platform, you can store this file. And because I need to, I don't remember if I told this into my presentation, I guess not. It's unlimited storage on Autodesk Docs. And
Wow,
you can store what you want inside. There is one limitation, it's the time of your subscription.
yeah.
Only.
And can I have a look at my models, for example, on my iPhone? Is there an app to visualize everything which is on Docs, basically?
Yes, good question. Yes, you've got, of course, an application called, let me check.
Autodesk Construction Cloud app, maybe? ACC?
It's now ICC. Yes, it's an acronym. It's not that I will need to check on my on my phone. ICC, and inside you can also you can see all models that you can see on the cloud. And of course, by using this application, this app, you can make some comments, some issue that this issue after will be sent to the cloud to the appropriate guy that you need to solve the issue.
Okay, so that's great. Because if I am not at my desk in front of my computer, maybe I am in the train or at site, I can use my mobile, report some issues, and assign them, for example, to you, and you will see them from your desk, right?
Yes. And I need to add something. You can use it off-site, without connection, let's say.
Yeah. Okay,
Because
yeah.
on
If you
site,
don't have Wi-Fi, you can still use it. And
yes,
once you get connected again to internet, all issues, all exchanges go to
and
the
make
right.
synchronization. Yes.
Okay, excellent. All right. Do you see some other questions in the chat?
There is another one. It's not connected to my presentation, but I can answer it. It's about a question about still connection about .NET. .NET will be the next generation of implemented in the next Revit, because it's not a bigger announcement, because soon you will have the newest IC collection called IC collection 2025, and inside you will have a feature called .NET. It's a kind of way of make software more powerful. And the question is, what about steel connection? If the steel connection will take this account, this new development? For sure, steel connection will be there inside Revit, and of course, if Revit adopt .NET development, let's say, steel connection also will adopt it. Adopt this kind of development. I don't know if I answer well, Fabian, but you can put another comment if
you like the answer.
Yes.
Maybe it was more a question for someone from the development team, right?
Yes.
But anyway,
of course, .NET changed a ton of stuff for guys who developing on top of Revit. Of course,
sure.
But they are aware. For these guys, they receive some communication early in the year to be aware.
Yeah. This is a case for GreyTech. To be transparent with you, we are, developing and offering plugins to Revit. One of them is the Power Pack for Revit. And by the way, feel free to get access to the trial version. But having .NET also will improve the performances overall. So I think it's good for Revit users, and it's good for plugin users using plugin on the top of Revit as well. And from what I know, .NET is going to be, let's say, added to Revit and also to some other software, like things like Advanced Steel, AutoCAD Plant as well. So it's going to be on multiple software and visible by users for better performances, for sure.
Yeah. It's a lot of software around Autodesk already use this kind of technology, and as you know, Autodesk all the time need to be on the top, and that's why we adopt this kind of way to perform our solutions.
Yeah. Okay, excellent. Do you see some more questions in the chat?
No, not yet. I can do some reminder. We've got in France a blog, Village BIM, and there is a lot of tons of information as Autodesk Vision, like Autodesk AI, like Forma, like Revit, like all softwares and cloud solution. You've got tutorials, you've got features explained in details. That's why you need to subscribe to this French blog called Autodesk BIM, and you receive not every day, but twice in a week, two blog article explaining some stuff.
Yeah, I am a subscriber, and I know you are creating a lot, and this is always great information. So I also highly recommend you to subscribe to this blog for sure. Olivier, will you be at BIM World event in Paris beginning of April?
For sure. The 3 and 4th of April, we've got a booth, Autodesk booth. Inside you will find customer presentation. You will find some what's new Revit 25 presentation. It will be my task. Of course, you will have dedicated answering on to your question. There is all technical guy on the booth. And we've got some partner around our area that if
Like
you need
us,
some,
like Great Tech, right?
yes, of course, the great tech. And
Yeah, we
of
need to
course,
do that BIM World, yes.
we've got main presentation on main stage, 5, I guess. No, 2 or 3, and 3 workshop.
Excellent. So for people in Europe or in France or even in Paris, yeah, go to this event. You will learn a lot of things at
Yeah,
Autodesk.
or maybe come from US. You will
Yeah,
be
you can come
welcome
from
in
anywhere.
Paris, of course.
You're welcome.
And I need to add something more. We have for the first view, the solution Workshop XR. It's a solution, a VR solution with collaborative mode.
Nice. Do you have an idea when it will be available for customers? Because I think it's only available internally at Autodesk right now, right?
Yes, but they open wish lists.
Okay.
And it's now, as I know, it will open soon in few days or weeks. And some customer who are in the wish list, they will be contacted to be a beta tester of this solution. And more in the year, you will have more users could be access to this solution.
Okay, nice. And by the way, you just talked about issues, and I think it's a nice feature which exists as well. Can you just explain quickly how it works between Autodesk Construction Cloud, Revit, and even Navisworks? How you
Yeah.
can create an issue here, see it here, answer it here, and so on and so on. Maybe you can explain quickly how it works.
Creating issue on the cloud. Okay, it's good. You can track issue, but the skeleton of this way of using issue is connecting issue to dedicated software as Revit and Navisworks. And the workflow is I can create issue on the cloud and in Revit or Navisworks by using a dedicated plugin inside. For Revit, it is a Revit issue. For Navisworks, it is a coordination issue. After installing this plugin, you can access issue created in the cloud on the dedicated software, and you can manage this issue in the software by viewing issue, by commenting issue, and of course to solve issue and change the state and update this issue to the cloud. And the BIM manager maybe managing the project in the cloud could see the stages of each issue if it is solved or not. And it's the best way to use issue connecting to our softwares. And of course, the story could be extended by using BCF, because you can create BCF for other software. It's like IFC for models, but BCF is for issues.
Okay. Okay. So that's great because it's really a good combination of workflows between desktop products like Revit and Navisworks and cloud-based solutions like Autodesk Construction Cloud and Docs. for buildings and also for plant and factories. So this is a very good combination. And you have shown through a video during your presentation how all those models, again, for building, civil, infrastructure, and many more, can be combined together in this cloud-based solution platform. So this is
if I add something, you show I demonstrate the powerful of our solution in the cloud, but you know, Docs, Collaborate Pro, Build. This is the first step to use Autodesk in the cloud. More and more in the time, and of course for the global launch for our solution, you will see new solution will be based in the cloud. And if you are a customer, take the opportunity to start to use Docs, and maybe you will see more and more. You will have new feature inside with cloud services. Well, I can tell more in April as BeamWorld in BeamWorld trade show. Well, but using cloud solution, Autodesk Cloud solution, it will be the feature for all users, but not only cloud. Of course, software will continue to exist on computer, of course.
Yeah, sure. And maybe a last question from my side. I know you are an expert and you are a fan of reality capture, so you are really an expert of scan to beam and point clouds and things like that. How does it work with Docs? Can you upload a point cloud and see how it looks like and make some actions, things like that?
Yes, it's thanks for this question. It's one example to use the cloud, the powerful of the cloud, of course, Autodesk Docs, to do something. And of course, you are right. You can upload your point cloud by using Autodesk Recap, or also to copy and paste your point cloud in Autodesk Docs. And after that, you've got some. You can watch. You can see your point cloud in the cloud as a point cloud as it is, and you can start to collaborate. And of course, you can use a kind of AI to extract feature from the point cloud. Today, it's only lines, but you will see in the future. I can tell more here. In the future, a very good feature will be appear into this service. But
Okay.
of course, feature extraction in the cloud from point cloud. This is a good example, a new tool proposed by Autodesk in the cloud.
Okay, that's great. Thank you, Olivier. So what can I say? Looking forward to seeing you at BeamWorld in a few days for sure.
You will be there?
Yes, of course we will be there.
It will be a pleasure to see you.
Yes, same on my side. And a big thank you, Olivier, for presenting today. It was great information for all of our attendees. I hope it was useful for you. I hope we answer your questions as well. And from there, I wish you a very nice day. And thank you again, Olivier. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Philippe, and thanks, GreatTech, for your invitation.
You're welcome. It was a pleasure.